Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Welcome back. Today's crash course is Vancouver Airport Marriott. Here's a look at the drop-off area for you. They have a large parking lot if you're driving. Looking in the lobby, you can see they have the little computer desk set up. Little area for you to grab drinks, as well as they had medicine for an upset stomach, things like that. Pretty good, pretty good. Smaller lobby, but definitely very functional. Let's take a look at the room. I was fortunate enough to get upgraded to a suite, and I really appreciate that. This was a nice room to spend the day before flying out back to Bangkok, so worked out rather well. You can see they got the coffee and tea set up. Plenty of room in this suite. I'll give them credit for that. There you see we've got the mini fridge. Microwave, which is nice. I think most of the hotels in Vancouver actually had a microwave, not something I see very often in Southeast Asia. Here you have your closet space, extra bedding, your robes, and ironing board. Plenty of hangers in there to hang up your clothes. Give you a quick look around the room from the couch. Like I said, this is the spacious suite. Plenty of space in here. You see there's multiple seating options here. You got the little computer desk next to the TV, the couch, as well as this little seat here that we're looking around the room from. Plenty of room. Very comfortable, which was nice since I was about to take a 17-hour flight. Took me a minute to figure out, but the safe is actually under this little seat over here. But it worked well, so no complaints once you figure out where it's at. You can see they have that little stand for the chair, which is nice. And that door does lead to a little balcony. You can come out here. I guess this would be convenient if you were a smoker. Other than that, you can just step outside and get a breath of fresh air. Here's a look at the bedroom area. I would say the bedroom obviously is a little bit cozier than the living room as far as space. It's a little bit smaller. But I slept well before flying out, so I think that's what matters most. Good overall room design. And a comfortable bed. Here's a look inside the bathroom. You can see right there the sink space is on the smaller side for sure. But I was able to get in here and close the door, so at least the bathroom's not too small. They left plenty of towels. Same thing with the shower space. I'd say the shower space was good and plenty of room in there. I'm a pretty big guy. And you can see I'm fumbling with the lighting options in here. But like I said, the shower is pretty spacious, so no problems there. Of course, they hook you up with a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Good shower head there.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
The gym here is a little different. It's split up into a couple of rooms. So at first it looks like you step over here, like, well, there's not a lot going on here. You got a couple machines, but it's just like I said, it's separated into a separate room. So you have that room over there, and then you have the free weights over here, along with the exercise balls and some floor space for mats. There you go, a little more room right there than on the other side. Plenty of towels. Outside they do have a small pool area. And there is a little jacuzzi off to the side. Obviously folks were making use, so we left them alone. But you can see it's right over there. Plenty of clean towels. If you have status with Marriott, this location does have a lounge. We'll take a look at what they have in the evening as well as at breakfast. But always a nice thing to have, the lounge. Go grab a drink and some cookies or something to snack on. There weren't too many guests making use of this, so pretty comfortable back here. You see they have different seating options for you. There's a bunch of cereal for the morning. All kinds of different options for you. Of course, always got hot coffee back here. Here you can see in the evening they have some different little appetizer dishes. Those egg rolls or spring rolls were actually really good. You can see we got some meat and cheese. In the morning they do serve a smaller breakfast down here if you want the peace and quiet of being in a separate area. There you see they got some omelets, some good hash browns. Hot enough to steam up the camera, so that's good. Bacon and sausage. Plenty of fresh fruit there. All kinds of options there for your coffee, of course. And you can get alcohol in the evenings. Pastries, we better stay away from those. I did walk down the regular breakfast line as well, even though I didn't eat over here since I'd already eaten in the lounge, but just to give you a quick peek of what's available there. Some nice looking bacon and sausage, as well as eggs. I would say I enjoyed my stay here, and the best part of it was if you have status with Marriott, being able to get the late checkout as late as 4 o'clock, which was very convenient since I wasn't flying out till almost 11. Hope you enjoyed the review.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.